And in other news, the jury in Samantha Woll's murder trial went home for the day after hours of deliberating in hopes of reaching a verdict. The judge says the jury is deadlocked on a few of the charges against the defendant, Michael Jackson Bolanos. CBS News Detroit's Jordan Burroughs joins us from Frank Murphy Hall of Justice in Detroit with a recap of the day.
Another long day in the courtroom for the judge, the jury, counsel, and the family members of Samantha Woll. Today wraps up day 2 of jury deliberations in the murder trial of Samantha Woll and the accused, Michael Jackson Bolanos. All we heard from the Honorable Judge Margaret Van Houten today was giving the jury deadlocked instructions. To be clear, this does not mean that the jury has come to a verdict. It does not mean it's a deadlocked jury or a hung jury. They just needed some instruction. Judge Van Houten told the jury before they leave Friday to let the court know if they need anything that will help them make a decision. This includes any transcripts or testimony. Detroit Synagogue President Samantha Woll was found stabbed to death outside her Detroit home the morning of Saturday, October 21st of 2023. Investigators said a witness found her lying on the ground unresponsive later that morning. Michael Jackson Bolanos, who was 28 years old at the time of Woll's death, was charged with murdering her. Here's some of what Judge Van Houten said when she addressed the jury Friday.
You've returned from deliberations indicating that you believe you cannot reach a verdict. I'm going to ask you to please return to the jury room and resume your deliberations in the hope that after further discussion you will be able to reach a verdict. As you deliberate, please keep in mind the guidelines I gave you earlier. Remember, it is your duty to consult with your fellow jurors and to try to reach agreement.
It will be business as usual Monday when the jury resumes day 3 of jury deliberations in the Samantha Woll murder trial. Judge Van Houten told the jury to take the weekend to think over the case. Reporting outside of the Frank Murphy Hall of Justice in Detroit, Jordan Burroughs, CBS News, Detroit.